go inside the shop and take a look at some of the steps in making the one-time tool, Radius Quick-Jig. The tools are first milled out of aircraft-grade aluminum with one of our state-of-the-art CNC mills. When the milling cycle is complete, the machinist inspects the parts. Then the tools are checked on our state-of-the-art video optics system to ensure dead-on accuracy. Tumbling eliminates any sharp edges or burrs on the tool left over from milling. Anodizing increases the surface strength of the tool and colors them with our distinctive red. After the jigs are anodized, they are laser engraved, and we'll move on from here to assembly for packaging and finally shipping. Stay tuned for more production updates and behind-the-scenes action.